Alright, yo, what's good? I just woke up from a nap. It wasn't a nap, actually. I've just been, like, extremely tired, so I just woke. I didn't really wake up, it's just it feels like I just woke up. And I want to make this video. I was inspired. I was just, like, telling some people. I'm in part of this Facebook group, right, for social media marketing. That's what I do. I actually love it. It's so much fun, just because I get to work with people. And so, someone was talking about Tanner Fox and so on. They weren't, like, sure about his course and so on. So I want to make this video. It's going to be called Tanner Fox Exposed, alright? And so basically, let me expose this guy real quick. Should you buy his course? I mean, it's subjective. Do you need it to do Amazon FBA? No, you don't. Will it help you? It could. The thing is, if you look at the guys, this is like people. I don't know. I guess some people are like confused about like what he does or so, right? Maybe he used to do Amazon selling, but now he's a personal brand. Basically, the guy just like build up. It's based on the concept of give, and then ask. Oh my god, it's by a book by Gary Vaynerchuk, right? And it's just like jab, 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 right hook. So basically what you do, what he did, right? Post a bunch of YouTube videos about like Amazon selling and so on, right? Amazon FBA, and they have tremendous value. Like he gave a lot in it. I watched all the videos. I basically knew everything about Amazon selling just from watching those videos. I didn't end up doing Amazon selling, just because I don't know. I just didn't like putting in the work of like finding a product for like, because like you'll find a product and then you're like about to buy and then you realize like, oh, this is actually not a good product, and you have to find a new one. I know that I have to put in the work to like get results for it. It's just I didn't like that type of business. I like automated income because who doesn't? But I mean, I just prefer social media marketing. I focused more on that because I was starting both things at the same time, and then I just focused on social media instead of doing that. And I mean, it's going really well. I'm part of this private Facebook group. I like post there every day, giving people tips. Everyone, dude, oh my god, the feedback I get makes me so happy. Just because and I find these dope tips, and sometimes I'm like, should I just not tell anybody about this? But then I'm like, nah, I gotta say it. So anyway, the thing is, you don't need to buy his course to do Amazon selling. Why? Because if you look at his videos, the guy gives you everything you need in his videos. Like literally, his videos have so much value on it. I think the only thing he does go over is like how to talk to suppliers in China. But you can find that on the internet. You don't need this guy's course to do Amazon selling. Will it help you? Maybe. And let me explain why. A lot of people don't value stuff unless they pay for it. So his course is basically already out there in his YouTube videos. Like honestly, it's basically the same thing. But a lot of people won't take action unless they fucking pay $500 or however many dollars it is now, for the course. Like some people just are not going to like value the information, or they're going to think like it's not like enough, right? They'll make an excuse as to why they can't. Some people are even going to buy it and then they're going to still make an excuse. Oh, he didn't speak Chinese to me. So like, I don't know. How am I going to speak to people in China if he didn't speak Chinese to me? People are always going to find an excuse, but like, my point is, you don't need his course to do the Amazon FBA. It's just like there's enough info out there, especially in 2017, dude. I'm working on a project right now that I'm going to release in like 2 months. Any excuse you possibly have of why you're not successful or why you can't fucking do something in 2017, it goes out the window. It's impossible. Like, if you want it bad enough, you'll find a way to succeed. It's one of my favorite quotes. It goes, if you want to change your life, you'll find a way. If you don't, you'll find an excuse. It's pretty fucking simple. Tanner's course, the guy gave a bunch of value, right? People asked for a course. He made it. Then he was like, here, guys, buy my course. And people bought it. He's made bank off that course. He's made off $1 million off that course. He basically put out the videos, right? Some people bought the course originally because everybody's not going to buy the course at first because they're like, I don't know if this is a good course, right? And so a few people bought the course. A small percentage succeeded because trust me, a lot of the people that are going to buy the course are not going to succeed. It's just, that's how it goes. The people that want it bad enough are going to fucking succeed. It was just like their time to take action. It was like their call to action. When they paid that money, they felt like they invested. So now they have to get their money back. So they actually took it seriously, right? Once they put down that $500. And so the people that want it bad enough are going to succeed at it. The rest are just kind of fucking give Tanner money for free, basically. But I mean, some people, like, you should dabble because, like, generally, I think you should find, like, your passion in life and do that, right? But, like, to find your passion, you're gonna have to experiment with different things. Like, you're not gonna find it right away. I don't know if Amazon, or like not Amazon. I don't know if Samsung. Social media marketing is my passion, but I mean, honestly, right now it's profitable and it's working pretty well, and I'm enjoying it. I like talking to business owners, especially now. There's like someone that's like charging 3 times less than me, and they're saying it's the same service. It's not the same service at all. And every time somebody works with them, I know that next month when I give them a call and I'm like, hey, do you want to try working with me now since, it didn't work out? And they're like, how do you know it didn't work out? I'm like, because I know their service isn't the same thing. It's complete shit. And they're like, all right, yeah, I'll try. Like, anyway, it's hilarious to me. Like, it almost makes me excited that there's a different company now. But, you don't need this course. The guy gave value. People asked for a course, right? The jab. He kept giving value. Then he made a course that's the right hook, and he was like, guys, buy the course if you want to do Amazon selling. And people were like, I will buy the course, and they gave him money. That's the right hook. That's the ask. And so then, like, some people succeeded. A small person succeeded. He said, hey, do you guys want to come on my YouTube channel, and we'll go on a Skype call, and I'll record it, and we can, like, share your story of how you succeeded at Amazon selling. They're like, oh my God, yes, thank you so much, Tanner. And he's like, no problem. And that's another way for him to market it. Now people will see that other people have had success stories. They're like, oh my God, all these people are succeeding, when in reality, like, 100 people bought it and 5 people fucking succeeded. But the thing is, those 5 people wanted it. It's all about mindset. Anything you do in life, consistency and perseverance. I'll go more into that in the future, but just know it's not a scam, but you can do Amazon without fucking looking at his course. Just watch all of his YouTube videos. They give you all the info you need. Trust me. All right, I'm going to go to the store. It's getting extremely hot in this car. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know what you think. And I'll start posting every day. Seriously, every day. Commitment from now on. Consistency, perseverance. Oh, okay. Anyway, I was going to explain more about personal branding, but you know what? That's for a different video. Peace.